How to delete Duolingo course on Duolingo application. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting a Duolingo course on the app. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Duolingo application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. So to check if the Duolingo application is updated, go to Play Store and then search for Duolingo. Once you find it, tap on it, and if you see an update button, something like this highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Once you're in the homepage, tap on the user icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you will be taken to your profile page. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your settings. Then click on courses, that is just below the notifications option. Tap on it. And here you will see the list of language courses that you're taking. To remove or delete a Duolingo course, you can just simply go ahead and tap on remove option that is highlighted in red color and then again tap on remove to confirm. This way you will be able to delete the Duolingo course on the application. But be careful that deleting a course gets rid of all of your progress and cannot be undone. You have to be very careful about that. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can delete a Duolingo course on Duolingo application. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.